Have you ever spent 3 hours debugging a bug that Claude could fix in 30 seconds? Imagine having an AI assistant that can help you write code, debug complex issues, explain difficult concepts, review pull requests, generate documentation, and even build complete applications alongside you. That's exactly what you're going to learn in this course. Whether you're a beginner developer or an experienced software engineer, AI is changing the way software is built. Developers who know how to work with AI are becoming significantly more productive, and this course will help you become one of them. Welcome to Claude Masterclass. I'm excited to have you here. Throughout this course, we'll explore Claude from the ground up. We'll start with the basics, understanding what Claude is and how to use it effectively, and then gradually move into advanced topics like Claude Code, the Claude API, Model Context Protocol, MCP, agent skills, subagents, and real-world AI development workflows. By the end of this course, you'll know how to use Claude not just as a chatbot, but as a powerful development partner. This course is designed for the tech professionals. We'll start from the very beginning and build your knowledge step by step. No advanced AI knowledge is required. Even if you've never used Claude before, don't worry. This course will still be perfect for you. So, let's get started.